What are the main features of Shine Ranker? So, guys, Shine Ranker is an SEO tool that's designed to help businesses and individuals optimize their websites for better search engine performance. You can see as I've logged in and signed up, basically, Shine Ranker is not free to use and it offers you two basic plans. One is monthly, and the other being yearly, costing around $500, and the one being monthly around $100. So the $100 one offers you unlimited projects, Shine audits, keyword research uses, traffic checker, content editor, leads, AI keyword, AI chat, AI video clipping, and AI video creation. So you see they have integrated AI into this. And basically, their main features are keyword research and analysis, providing you keyword suggestions, keyword difficulty, depending upon your niche and target audience, and also offering you search volume, which is to display the monthly search volume for each keyword to help prioritize your efforts. Next feature of theirs is to have rank tracking, where you can monitor the ranking of your selected keyword on major search engines. You're also provided with daily updates on keyword performance to track progress and adjust your strategies. Next up is its site audits that it offers, which is like called Shine Audits right here. It conducts comprehensive audits to identify on page SEO issues such as your broken links, meta tag problems, and content issues. It also is, helpful in evaluating your technical aspects like the page speed, if it's mobile friendly, and XML sitemaps. It also analyzes your backlink, which means it checks and analyzes your backlink profile to identify high quality and potentially harmful link. It also offers you competitive analysis that includes keyword gap analysis and competitor performance to track the SEO performance of your competitors and also to identify the keywords that your competitors rank but you do not. So, it gives you new opportunities for content creation. Lastly, they also offer you reporting and analytics, which is to form custom reports and performance dashboards to generate detailed reports on various SEO metrics, which can be customized to focus on specific areas of interest. That in turn is displayed onto their dashboards to monitor an overall SEO performance and traffic matrix. So, guys, this is the basic features that Shine Ranker really offers us.